Hello, I'm Sam. I have been working in China's export business for the past 13 years. And before I share the sourcing advice on this channel, and I would like to tell you a little bit about myself and how my experience will help you. I come from a rural area in Hunan province in China, and now I'm based in Shenzhen, one of the most important cities for Chinese export business and the supply chain. And in the past 13 years, I have worked with international buyers and Chinese suppliers. I communicate with international buyers in English almost every day, discussing products, price, samples, production, quantity, delivery, and many of the problems that can happen in between. My main experience including industries such as LED lighting, solar energy, and lithium batteries. Over the years, I have worked with or communicated with more than 100 suppliers in China, including factories, trading companies, component suppliers, and provider. I have also communicated with customers from many different countries and business culture. My work has taken me to the countries including Italy, Germany, France, Belgium, the Netherlands, and the Poland, where I had the opportunity to communicate with my customers and better understand how overseas customers think about. But my experience is not only about selling products. It has also taught me why sourcing from China sometimes goes well, and why it's sometimes frustrating or the buyer. And I know the common mistakes that buyers made when selecting suppliers. A professional website, a fast reply, lower quotation does not always mean that a supplier is reliable or look beyond the sales presentation. You need to understand the supplier's real capabilities, communication habit, quality control process, and the production capacity and actual problem happens. I also know which communication methods make cooperation much smoother. Many sourcing problems are not caused by bad English. They happen because specifications are unclear, assumptions are not confirmed, or important details are only discussed verbally. So clear documents, writing confirmation, approved samples, or detailed checklist can prevent many misunderstandings before production begins. I know why some quotations look very attractive at the beginning, but become expensive later. A low price may exclude materials, packaging, testing, certification, packaging requirements, or the quantity standard. That is why buyers should not compare only the final number. They should compare exactly what is included, what is excluded, and whether each supplier is quoting the same product standard. I also understand why a sample can look perfect while mass production later has serious problems. A sample can be made by an experienced technician, but mass production involves different workers, materials, machines, procedures, and time pressure. To reduce this risk, buyers need clear quality standards, a conformed golden sample, production checks, and a proper inspection before shipment. On this channel, I will share practical information about how to find the supplier, how to verify them, how to communicate with them, and how to avoid sourcing mistakes. I will also explain how Chinese suppliers think, the work, and the business culture behind. So you can make better decisions before placing an order. I'm not here to tell you every Chinese supplier is good or bad. My goal is to help you understand what to check, what questions to ask, and how to choose the supplier that is right for your business. Everything I share will be based on my real experience working with international buyers and Chinese suppliers. I may not know every industry, but I will always try to give you honest, practical, and useful information. So if you are an importer or small business owner or someone to buy some products from China, this channel is for you. So subscribe this channel and let's make sourcing from China clear, safer, and more successful. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.